This is the review quiz number 1. Number 1, list any 3 examples of rational numbers. Again, list any 3 examples of rational numbers. Number 2, the opposite integer to a negative 12 is what? Again, the opposite integer to a negative 12 is what? Number 3, the opposite integer to a 8 is what? Again, the opposite integer to a 8 is what? Number 4, the absolute value of negative 9 is what? Again, the absolute value of negative 9 is what? Number 5, the absolute value of 20 is what? Again, the absolute value of 20 is what? Number 6, the absolute value of negative 8 compared to the absolute value of negative 13. Here you are going to use your greater than, less than, or equal to. Again, negative 8 compared to, the absolute value of negative 8 compared to the absolute value of negative 13. So you're going to use your greater than, less than, or equal to signs to compare those absolute values. Number 7, the absolute value of 10 compared to the absolute value of negative 2. Using your less than, greater than, or equal to signs, what is the absolute value of 10 compared to the absolute value of negative 2? Number 8, the absolute value of negative 5 compared to the absolute value of 3. So use your greater than, less than, or equal to signs to answer the absolute value of negative 5 compared to the absolute value of 3. For numbers 9 through 15, you're going to classify each number in every set to which it belongs. Again, classify each number in every set to which it belongs. So a number could belong to more than one group, or it could just belong to one group. But you are going to list each set that the number belongs to. And you only have to worry about whole number, integer, or rational. So those are the only things you have to write. Whole number, integer, rational. So number 9, you're going to classify 1 and 1/6 as either whole number, integer, rational, or all 3, or just 1, or 2. So write down each group that 1 and 1/6 belongs to. Number 10, negative 3/4. Negative 3/4. Does it belong in whole, integer, rational, more than one. So think about negative 3/4. Ignore the negative for now and concentrate on 3/4. Number 11, 0. So classify 0 to every set that it belongs to. Number 12, -7. Classify -7 in every set to which it belongs. So -7. Number 13, 1.9. 1.9. So classify 1.9 in every set to which it belongs. 1.9. Number 14, -2.5 repeating. -2.5 repeating. So classify -2.5 repeating in every set to which it belongs. Ignore the negative and concentrate on the 2.5 repeating. And number 15, 27. 27. Classify 27 in every set to which it belongs.